Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna unbox the new Epson F570 sublimation printer. Okay, so everybody's making a big fuss about this bad boy, this big old printer right here, and I'm no exception. So I went and bought me one because if you guys follow me, you know that I broke my last sublimation printer, and I always wanted to get a true sublimation printer. So I, broke my piggy bank to buy this. So we're gonna do an unboxing. There's a lot of unboxings out there, so this is gonna be yet another one. So let's get it open again. It's an Epson 570 large. I guess you can call it large format. It's a 24-inch sublimation printer. I'm not gonna give you the like prices and stuff like that because I'm pretty sure you can Google it and find out. I got this one from GSG in Dallas. GSG.com. This is not a sponsor video, so just in case if you hear me saying GSG a little too much, okay? I am not getting any money from them, so by all means, it's not a sponsored video by GSG or Epson or anybody for that matter. Fully pay out of my pocket. But I wish either Epson or GSG could, what do you call it? Sponsor this video or sponsor the channel. That would be awesome. So let's take this up. It's a big old box. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you is asking, you're probably asking yourself, Juan, where are you going to put that printer at? I'm asking the same thing myself. I have no idea. So let's see. First, let's see what we get here. So we get, I'm assuming this is going to be the initial ink. So you get the, what is it? CMYK. So you get four, I believe they're 140 milliliters. Yeah, they're 140. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but right there at the tip of my finger, it's 140. You get you get one set like that, and then you get another set in the box of two sets of inks. So that's pretty cool. Not bad. I mean, you get enough ink to, if you know how to sell your stuff, you can probably get enough ink to pay for that printer. So let's put those here before I drop them and break them. So for those of you that have a Sigras, go ahead and check your ink, the Sigras versus the Epson. And this is the reason why I went with an Epson rather than a Sigras, because the ink is a lot cheaper. Next, it's power cord, some paperwork, some more paperwork. This thing almost looks like a keyboard. It's like a bracket of some sort. I have no idea what it is. More than likely it's going to be the paper tray, probably. And make sure if you guys buy this, look, check in all those little crevices, because they got stuff in here. This is a maintenance box, and by other videos that I've seen, Epson actually gives you two maintenance boxes. That's where the ink or the printer, this is where the printer dumps. This is where it dumps all the ink that it doesn't use. be nice if the ink, the printer will recycle the ink, but this is just it's a trash can for ink. And you get 2 of these. I know because of other videos I've seen. Now this is really cool. You get 2 rolls, and these are 17. Let me grab one of them so you can see it. So you get 2 rolls of 17. Can you see it right there? 17 by 100. You get 2 of those rolls, and you get 1 roll of 24 by 100. That's what I'm saying. If you know how to do your deal, you know, your hustle, you can probably make enough money off of this 3 rolls and the ink to somewhat pay for the ink for the printer. And speaking of, there it is. I mean, this thing is huge. I thought I was going to be able to put it by my desk. There's no way this is going to fit by my desk. So I'm going to have to rearrange. I'm going to have to rearrange everything in there so I can set the printer over there. And that's going to have to be tomorrow. This was just a little unboxing video. Let me see if there's any more stuff in it. It looks like that's the only thing that we have. Let's take all this tape so we can see the actual printer. You know, when it comes to blue tape, they're not shy with their tape. I was thinking it was smaller than this. Watch me drop it. I'm actually looking for the other maintenance box. I didn't see it. So one of the things, let me show you something. This stuff is everywhere. And it says, you know, use the body system where you need 2 people. I carry this in here by myself. The printer weighs about 70 pounds. It's not that heavy. The only thing that makes it a little awkward is that it's a big box. It's like huge. So, but it's not that heavy. I guess if you're a petite woman, yeah, it will be heavy for you. Again, it's because of the big box. But it's very manageable. I mean, I carried it in here by myself. So this right here goes to a safety. Almost looks like a key inside. Make sure you take all the tape out. You see this right here goes into a little key. You have to remove that. That's a little key right there. So if you ever, like, say for example, I'm looking into moving into a building. I hope I can do it before the year ends. Say for example, whenever I find that building, then I take the same key, put it back in there. Makes it easier to transport the printer. That way, you know, moving around, you're not gonna mess it up. Okay, so there's a printer again. You know, it's got tape everywhere. You have to remove it all. And this is really cool about Epson, what they do. You know, in every little piece of paper, they tell you how to handle it. So, you know, that way you don't drop it. It's funny because both of them says don't do that. You know, make sure you follow those instructions. Like, don't grab it by here and then pick it up. That's why they want you to use the body system. Wow, this one has some really cool stuff. So I'm gonna remove most of this tape. So this is the ink reservoir. That's where we install the ink right there. Very easy. I was, you know, obviously, like a lot of us probably already seen the videos how to set this up, how to add the ink in there. It's very easy. Again, Epson makes it so easy. You know, a dummy can do it. If I can do it, you guys can do it. So you can see the ink levels, you know, through this little viewports, I guess, if you want to call them viewports. It's actually, if you notice on this last paper, it tells you not to grab it by, you know, like right here at the bottom. On the sides, it actually has the places where you can put your hands. So right here, it has the actual indentation to where you can, if you need to move the printer, it has this little indentation to where you can pick it up, you know, and grab it by there, and then that's how you will be picking up the printer. Again, the printer is a little heavy, but it's not like super heavy where, you know, you can't pick it up by yourself. And then again, every time you remove something, it has a safety or instructions, so you can follow those instructions. And I believe this is about filling up the ink, so make sure you don't throw those away, oops, or tear them like I just did. Save them, because you're going to need them once you're doing setup for the printer. Don't throw those instructions away, especially this key. Again, if you're going to be traveling, like if you're somebody that goes to like flea markets or, you know, different places like that, make sure you save this key so you can lock the printer. So more blue tape. You can start a business selling blue tape with with this printer. And then there's more tape. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. You can add, you know, you can do pre-cut paper, you know, so you don't have to necessarily use the rolls. You don't necessarily have to use the roll. The roll goes right down the back. You can also use pre-cut sheets, so that's pretty cool. That's one of the big things about this printer, that you can do that. Unlike all the other printers, like large format printers, you cannot use what do you call it? You cannot use pre-cut paper. So there's a printer. I took it off the pallet so you can actually see. I mean, again, the printer is like this backside. It's a little heavier than the front, but you can easily pick it up. It's not, like I said, it's not that heavy. It's a little heavy, but not like super heavy. Okay, so now you're looking at the back side of the printer, and if you notice this little tray right here, that's where the other boxes, the other maintenance box is going to be, and it just slides in and out like so. And here's the second one. They send you this one. This is really cool, you know, that they send you a second one. So whenever that one's full, you just pop it in there. I guess whenever the second one is full, then you have to buy another one. These are about $40 each. So, but they already gave you a second one. Right here, I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see it, but you have the power right here. And then you have an Ethernet and then a USB, like for a regular USB, like a thumb drive or something like that. And then you have your normal USB that's going to be connected to the laptop, the computer, you know, to a PC. I recommend that you guys connect this printer's hardwire either via Ethernet or USB. Even though the printer is capable of Wi-Fi, your connection has to be 100% good. You don't want anything, you know, going wrong with this printer while it's printing. So hardwire will be the best way. If you already have a printer, then just connect it via Ethernet through your network, and it'll work a lot better. So let's continue on taking the tape out. Okay, so I already took the tape that was right there. To open this and access the actual where the roller goes, you have to lift this up, and then there's a blue handle right here. You squeeze that handle and it'll come up, and then you get access to the rest of the wonderful tape. And then you got to remove this styrofoam blocks that they have in there. And that's it. So loading up your paper, you know, just as easy as taking the roller out, and then, okay, so you take your paper, you roll the paper, and then you slide the white one out. You see how it's got a black end, and then it has a clear, actually, it's not white, it's clear. slide that one out, and then your paper has to be unwinding on the top side. Slide it in the roll. And again, this is a 17 inch because they give you a 24, but we're going to use a 17. And then just drop it in there, and that's it. Now you have to push it in there. The printer is not on, but you just push it in there, it'll go. There's a slide in there that it'll go in there, and it right now stop. Again, the printer is not on, so it's not going to catch it. We're going to close this, close that, and again, this is if you have cut sheets, then this is where you will be putting the cut sheets. We're not going to be using that because we're going to be using the roll. Close it, and the printer's ready to, to be set up. That's it. I mean, that's all we had to do on this one. This is the unboxing. That's what we got. And in the front we have the touch panel, 4-inch. Looks like a 4-inch touch panel. Obviously you cannot see it on right now because the printer is not connected. That's gonna be tomorrow. Right now it's actually kind of late. Okay guys, that's it for this video. It was just an unboxing. It's actually pretty late right now. It's like 11 p.m. already. I am tired. I want to go to sleep, but I wanted to take this printer out. One of the things that they did not have at GSG is a stand for this printer, and I think I'm gonna have to order a stand. They're about $275, $300. So I'm gonna have to get a stand for this printer, because if you notice, it's really wide. It looks about, I want to say almost 2 feet wide, anywhere from 20 to 24 inches wide. This way is about 3 feet. But it's not gonna fit on my desk. Even though they call this a desktop printer. But it's not gonna fit on my desk. I'm gonna have to get a stand for it. But yeah, I wish I would have known that. I wish I would have known the dimensions before I bought it. That way I would have ordered the stand before I bought the printer. That way both of them will come in at the same time. But hey, the printer's already here. It's awesome. It's a really nice printer. I really like it. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna be cleaning up all my mess over there, and I'm gonna set up the printer. So I'll make another video while I'm setting it up, like, charging it with inks, setting it up on the network, and all of that stuff, like making the first print. I have a logo that I have to create tomorrow, so more than likely that's going to be created for this printer tomorrow, and then start making stuff. I want to make some face mask with this printer. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and the next video is coming up tomorrow. Today is, what's today, Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, Wednesday, July the 1st, 2020. So yeah, really excited to use this thing. Really nice printer. Very, very nice printer. So yeah, guys, it was a pleasure making this video for you. I know it wasn't the greatest unboxing of a new printer, but I'm pretty sure the prints that are going to be coming out of this printer are going to be amazing. So stay tuned for those videos that are coming up tomorrow and the next day. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And yeah, make sure you ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching guys, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later now. Bye bye.